Hi there, students. To castigate, a verb. Castigation, the noun. Okay, to castigate means to criticize somebody or something, or to punish them. I think originally castigate had the idea of punishment. But nowadays, I think a lot of castigation talks about a rebuke, criticism, condemnation, where somebody comes under fire. Although I think it's still perfectly reasonable to say the teacher castigated the students for talking. It's probably a bit formal for that sentence, and punished would be better. But to castigate, to reprimand severely, or to punish somebody. So the boss castigated me for not finishing the project. He reprimanded me. He chastised me. He admonished me. He upbraided me. Okay, so to castigate, to speak to somebody angrily, to criticize them severely. My girlfriend castigated me for not paying her enough attention. To be angry with somebody, to haul them over the carpet, to criticize them. But I think also to chastise, to punish, to correct. So the reprimand that he gave me was a castigation in itself. It was a punishment. Yeah, to castigate, to subject to severe punishment. The judge castigated the lawyers because they were not ready. Okay, they deserved castigation. Okay, so castigation, a criticism, a chastisement, a punishment. I think, let's see, for example, there was a storm and houses with slate roofs were severely castigated, were punished, were severely hit. They suffered from it. There was a lockdown. You will remember lockdown. Lockdown particularly castigated businesses where people had need face-to-face contact. Yeah, that type of business was particularly castigated by lockdown. It suffered particularly from it. The inspector castigated the workers for not complying with the safety regulations. So to punish or to rebuke. So she castigated me for not washing the dishes. To castigate somebody, that you give them castigation, punishment, severe criticism. Okay, let's see. Originally, this word castigation comes from chastisement. Yeah, from the French châtiment, which was the infliction of moral or corporal punishment. So restoring somebody to a pure state, a state of chastity. And in the old days, chastity was also known as purity, related to temperance. Okay, so castigation, to castigate, to punish, formality. I think I'm going to give this a 7 in formality. I think use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. Don't use it informally. It's certainly too formal for that. So to castigate, to reprimand, to criticize, to rebuke, to reprove, to tell somebody off, to admonish, to upbraid, to reprimand, yeah, to chew them out, to berate, to scold, and then as well to punish, yeah, to punish them, to give them a punishment. So, I think that's enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. If you don't, I won't castigate you. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Castigate Castigation.